Ever thought about making extra money with something you already own? Your car could be your ticket to some serious cash. Right now, over 500,000 drivers in the US are earning extra cash just by using their cars in clever ways. Imagine getting paid every time you drive around town, or even while your car is parked. Stick around, and by the end of this video, you'll have 4 real ways to turn your car into a money-making machine. Plus, we'll show you how much you can realistically earn with each option. First way, ride sharing. Imagine turning every drive into a payday. That's the power of ride sharing. Just by picking up passengers, every trip, whether a short drop-off or a cross-town ride, puts cash in your pocket. In larger cities, you could make around $15 to $25 per hour, logically, and that's not counting tips. You can choose to drive when it suits you, evenings, weekends, or any free time you have. But first off, your car needs to be in decent shape. You need valid insurance and a clean driving record. Meet Alice, a
Hi.
part-time Lyft driver who makes an extra $400 every weekend just by giving people a lift during her off hours. Harry Campbell, aka the rideshare guy, component placement, has made thousands through ride-sharing and now advises others on how to make the most out of every ride. Here is a tip. Increase your earnings by driving during peak hours like Friday and Saturday nights. Logically, when rates are higher and people are generous with tips. Second way, car advertising. Could you make money just by adding a few stickers to your car? Here's how car advertising works. Companies like Rapify pay you to drive with ads wrapped around your car. The more miles you drive in high traffic areas, the more you can earn. You could make $100 to $450 per month each, depending on the type of campaign, your location, and how often you drive. Pros, it's fully passive. You earn while going about your day as usual. David Dobrik, Swing, a popular YouTuber, has earned an estimated $3,000 in 6 months by wrapping his car and driving around his usual routes. Here is another tip. If you drive through busy areas regularly, car advertising can be a steady way to earn. Third way, food and package delivery. Don't want passengers in your car? You can still make great money delivering food or packages. Delivering food or packages for multiple apps like the DoorDash, Serve, Instacart, or Amazon Flex. Delivery drivers often make $15 to $25 per hour, Swing, and they can get bonuses during busy periods. Unlike ride-sharing, delivery keeps your car passenger-free. Perfect if you like solo driving. It is completely flexible. Jackie E. Ummer, logically, a college student, pulls in $200 each week delivering for DoorDash in her free time. What's stopping you from being like Jackie? Bentley Coop of DoorDash Diaries shares tips on earnings and delivering packages by understanding delivery zones. You can check out his most recent read, Fourth Way, Rent Out Your Car. Imagine making money while your car just sits in the driveway. Renting out your car might be the best way to make passive income. Platforms like Turo and Getaround are popular renting sites, accessible on both iOS and Android. You could earn around $400 to $800 per month depending on your car type and location. SUVs, luxury cars, or reliable vehicles attract high rental demand. You don't have to worry about potential damage when your car is insured. Carlos, logically an entrepreneur, makes an extra $700 every month by renting out his SUV to tourists on Turo. Here is another tip. If you're planning to travel or won't need your car for a few days, renting it out can be a great passive income stream. Now you know 4 ways people are making extra money just by using their cars. With ride-sharing, car advertising, delivery, and car rental, you can choose the method that fits your lifestyle best, or even mix and match. By now you should have a good idea of which one might be the best fit for you. Imagine adding a few $100s or more to your bank account each month, all thanks to your car. If you're serious about using your car to make money, keep it well maintained. A clean, reliable car attracts better rental rates and helps you stand out on platforms. Ready to turn your car into a cash machine on wheels? Try out these money-making moves, and if you enjoyed this ride, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and ring that bell. Because who doesn't love a little extra cash? Catch you in the next one.